Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie. I have a special unboxing today. It is not diamond art, but it is a Diamond Art Club licensed artist, and his name is Jeremiah Ketner. I follow Jeremiah Ketner's group in Facebook, and he announced that he was releasing a coloring book that you could use markers to color in. He made a post on Facebook about his new coloring book, and he was giving, I believe, 5 of them away to people who were interested in showing them on their channels. I missed the opportunity, and 5 were already given away by the time that I saw his post about his new coloring book. But I posted saying I was interested in purchasing his coloring book and that I would show it on my channel. And that's what's in this box. Let's open it. I bought a bunch of Ohuhu markers, and I haven't used them a whole lot because I spend my time diamond painting more right now and taking care of the puppies. Okay, so I just cut the box open. I haven't looked at it yet. Oh, we have an envelope in here. What is this? I didn't do that very well. I should use a razor instead. Oh, now I remember. I purchased a couple other items in here besides the coloring books. And that's what's in this envelope. I couldn't remember until I saw my receipt. So you can find his shop. I'll link it down below. I purchased, this is a washi tape dispenser. Based on your feeling, I guess, for the day, you can remove this. This comes off, and depending on your mood for the day, you can change it. How cute is this? Oops, well, that's apropos for the facial expression, the one I dropped. I thought it was cute. And I purchased these 2 washi tape. Little hedgehog, it's cute. And now let's take a look at his coloring book. We have a sticker. We have a kitty, a bear, a bunny, and a hedgehog. I may have purchased those 2. I think I did. Those little stickers. An Afternoon Interlude by Jeremiah Ketner. Meet a delightful cast of curious characters on their afternoon adventures. An Afternoon Interlude features a collection of richly detailed illustrations by Jeremiah Ketner that celebrate curiosity and the joy of a midday pause. Each illustration is richly detailed, featuring whimsical scenery designs to spark your imagination and invite your own colorful vision. She's cute, look. With the little bunny rabbits. I'm pretty sure it's the thicker paper so that I can use my Ohuhu coloring markers. And I'll just put a plastic here so that it doesn't bleed through. Very cute. I'm not sure if these are in stock and if he's still selling them, if any are for sale, but that'll be fun to color. How cute. And I'll go back and reference what's on Diamond Art Club and look at some of, because this one reminds me of Nico Mart. Very cute. Look at the bunny, the kitty painting. In a bakery, Nico Bakery. That's cute. Just chilling out, listening to the record player, having some tea. Afternoon tea. There's the Nico vending. Weekend crepes. Bunny bus. Very cute. Look at the squirrels. Soba noodles. One of my favorite. I love soba noodles. Picnic. We have a kitty, a bear, a bunny, an owl, hedgehog, fox, mouse, emu, and a squirrel. Very cute. There you have it, Jeremiah Ketner's Afternoon Interlude coloring book. I'll link his shop down below. Thanks for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.